Ebusian say a confirm Kumasi Asante Kotoko Guinean goalkeeper Mohammed Camara. I confirm say Kotoko first game of the season against Karela next weekend. And as I game ebeba so e watamale Camara and them because between that time no na Frederick Asare e Black Stars camper na omo Morocco omo ne Niger ekobo. Ghana game no Thursday omo bo wi a omo fly akọ Morocco na omo ne Niger akobo ewo ho. Niger yentie ne yenhye no nso se omo krom omo pitches ne asensem pii nti CAF se omo nkobobo no ewo Morocco. Niger ni Morocco ebe pan nti amanfo otis amanfo se ye ko desert otis amanfo ko Libya omo kwatwa desert na ye Niger desert no mo nam so a no matiasi Libya ni Morocco ni Spain so dia se ya senior man on the screen so yi Richmond AYI former Crows of goalkeeper enyumre nti e ba de se on Dreams FC asensan say or Dreams FC goalkeeper or signed for 2 years. And only a little bit of information from Accra Eba na was made them out quickly. Now Ghana Black Stars and so ahoboano ekoso den by Tuesday no mu Kumasi. Omo send omo calendar no amaye omo program for bibia no omo send them my numere essential for na say no Super 24 TF4 any ahwefo there means me emfan kamemo enti me de betum wa ha na yenyina ye hunu de ekọ because information e ba madaroma eno enti a ye de emre no e ba ha ye be bibia wa ha no muni ho aye ni ho sa pepepe net enti Black Stars according to the Ghana Football Association from 31st and players no Ebeshasi arrive 31st to 2nd September arrival of players. Na Monday 2nd September training in Accra 4:30. We are not training opens to media and public. No at 5 p.m. Na Tuesday no. Training Tuesday no team 3rd of September team fly out to Kumasi training at Babayara Sports Stadium 4:30 and also training opens to the media. And also day or Wednesday match training and no ebe koso na Thursday match day na ankasa Thursday 5th September and also the information na see the mamo into that's the whole itinerary for the Black Stars. Kumasi obetimi ato afem na wakohwe Black Stars game no training no any game ni nyina yeah.